Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. I'm back with another cornbread mix that I wanted to try. It's from Old El Paso. It's Southwest style. And it has mild spice to it. We're going to need 1 egg, 1/2 cup of milk, or you can use 1/2 cup of water. You also want to set your oven to 400 degrees. Okay guys, so in our bowl we're going to add our cornbread mix. Our 1/2 cup of milk. And our egg. And we're just going to mix it until everything is well combined. Once you're done, you want to grab a pan, and you also want to get some non-stick cooking spray. I'm using Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray with flour. I'm going to spray the inside of my pan. Once you sprayed your pan, you want to go ahead and add your cornbread mix in. Once you poured your cornbread mixture into your pan, all you want to do is spread it out evenly. Now it's ready to go into our oven, 400 degrees, for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, so our cornbread is done. I'm going to let it cool off before I remove it from the pan. It smells really good. Okay guys, so our Southwest style cornbread is done. I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste. It's really good. It tastes like a taco. So guys, yeah, I would buy this again. It tastes really good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.